In this quick video, I'll show you how to turn on comments on YouTube on phone. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. So I am currently on YouTube app. You can follow the process from your YouTube studio or from the YouTube website, but I am using the app. You can also enable comments from your mobile app. So first of all, we need to go to our profile, then scroll down here and you will see this option, your videos. We can click on it, and after that it will show you all of the videos you uploaded on YouTube. If I click on this video, you can see that this video doesn't have comment section. So to turn it on, we just need to go back, and after that click on these three dots. We can click on it. Now click on edit. Here we can edit information about our video. We can edit title, description, visibility and audience type. Also we will see this option comments on the bottom side. We can click on it and then we can enable our comments, pause our comments or turn it off. I will simply enable it, and also we can change the comment moderation. I can set it to none, basic, strict and hold all. For the sake of this video, I will set it to basic and go back. Now click on save. Now you can see my video has been updated. If I open this video now, you can see this video have comment section now. Anyone can comment here. So this is the way. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.